Hi there again, Polios! It's me again, your Bunico Iho, your brand ambassador. And for today's vlog, guys, mag-unwrap tayo ngayon, guys, ng parcel from TikTok Shop. So, I have here a product from Holo, all the way from Giginto, Bulacan. Yes, guys, actually, nakita ko tong product na to while browsing my TikTok nung pauwi ako galing sa work. So, na-curious lang ako, guys, kasi sobrang mura lang siya and yet magagamit ko to. Kailangan ko actually to. So, I decided to order from them. So, this is just only about 178 pesos only, guys. And I'm pretty sure magugustuhan nyo to kasi sobrang mura lang siya at sobrang magagamit nyo siya. So, ano pang inaantay natin? Buksan na natin. So, yan. Buksan na natin, guys. This is it. So, eto na nga, guys. So, everyone is using belt. For sure. Yan. So, I have here a product. Yan siya, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So, yan. For only 29 pesos, guys, meron ka ng belt. So, mahaba siya. I don't know kung gaano siya kahaba. Ganyan siya. Pero sobrang haba niya, guys. And yes, guys, 29 pesos lang. 28 point something actually. 28.9. Ganun. So, let's say, 29 pesos na lang per piece. So, in-order ko yung product nila mismo, yung 6 na klase. So, ito, 2, 4, 6. So, I have here the dark brown, the gray, the green, which is yung parang camouflage, yung ano niya, yung kulay niya. The black, of course, pang universal, para kahit anong damit natin or pants natin, magamit natin. Plus, of course, yung khaki and yung blue. Mukha lang siyang black, guys, pero blue talaga siya. So, ito yung ano niya. Ito kasi yung black. Ayan. Ito yung black. Ito, of course. And ito yung blue niya. So, guys, diba? For only 178 pesos, guys, meron ka ng 6 na belt. And yes, maganda yung product nila, guys. Ito, plastic lang siya, guys, pero matibay siya. Then, medyo rough yung ano niya, para hindi siya masyadong madulas or hindi siguro para magasgas agad. And matibay naman siya, guys. Maganda. Maganda yung ano niya, yung product nila. And it's worth enough para sa 29 pesos. Diba? Sana pang inaantay nyo, guys. Pasyalan nyo yung TikTok shop nila. Just search Holo. Just search Holo on TikTok shop para ma-avail nyo yung mga products nila na to. Come on, hurry up. Grab yours.